These rare historical photos showcase intriguing moments that have left scientists puzzled for decades as they attempt to uncover the mysteries behind these inexplicable images. One such photo captures a Victorian gentleman proudly presenting a peculiar device to curious observers, leaving historians and scientists guessing about its purpose and technology. Another captivating image showcases a crowd from the 1920s staring in awe at an unidentified flying object, illustrating humanity's long-standing fascination with the unknown. In one intriguing scene, a group of children unknowingly captured an inexplicable figure lurking in the background, igniting discussions about potential paranormal phenomena in everyday life. Another fascinating photograph shows a farmer gazing up at a strange light hovering above his field, sparking theories about unidentified aerial phenomena throughout history. In yet another remarkable capture, a 19th-century scientist is shown surrounded by strange artifacts in his lab, inviting speculation about the advancements and secrets of the past.